Hi guys, it's Bree the Coupon Queen. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. So on Sunday, we are going to be getting 2 inserts, one Smart Source and one Retail Me Not. So I wanted to go over the coupon insert preview with you guys so that way you know ahead of time if you plan on buying a newspaper or not and how many to go ahead and purchase. So after we go through the insert preview, I'll let you guys know if I plan on buying one and how many, where I get them, and all that information. There's been a ton of great deals this week at both CVS and Walgreens. There was about 6 different moneymakers, now 7, based on the additional deal that I found with the Saving Star rebate that I posted on my Instagram. If you don't follow me yet on my Instagram, make sure you check the link below. It's Bree the Coupon Queen. I post any additional rebates or hot deals that pop up throughout the week on my Instagram. Facebook is listed below as well. So CVS, we used the moneymaker deals that we were able to take advantage of in our first transaction to buy some essentials, some food items, some laundry care items in our second transaction. So that is one of the benefits of couponing. We can use our rewards and roll them into buying some things that are essential for ourselves and our family. Then at Walgreens, I posted 3 different scenarios for the spend 20, get 5,000 point booster. If you haven't seen any of those videos, I will have them linked in the description box as well as at the end of this video. And of course, if you're not subscribed yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button for me. I just reached 7,000 subscribers. I'm so excited about that. I know a lot of us are stuck home, and watching different YouTube videos can help kind of pass the time and save you guys, of course, a bunch of money. So let's go ahead and dive right into this coupon insert preview. Okay, so we are going to be getting some paper products. Unfortunately, I haven't been able to find any paper products still in the stores, and I shop every single week and I haven't seen a toilet paper roll in like weeks. But we are going to get some Angel Soft coupons, $1 off 1. For the fresh scent rolls and any rolls. So if you guys are lucky enough to find some, you can still get some good savings. Breathe Right strips, I'm located in Florida. For those of you who are new to the channel, the pollen here has been so crazy. So if you're needing any Breathe Right strips or anything like that, you're getting a $2 off coupon coming. Country Crock, we have a $1 off 1. Typically, when we get that coupon, we'll get some Saving Star rebates for the plant-based. Sometimes we'll get some Ibotta rebates as well. So I've picked up a ton of free butter in the last couple months. So hopefully we'll be able to put together a deal there. Equal, $1.50 off of 1 and $2 off 1 on the Plus product. Fancy Feast, if you have any cats, you can pick up some wet cat food or dry cat food. There's some different coupons available. Flonase, we have a 10 off 1 and a 5 off 1. Jimmy Dean, there was an Ibotta rebate for 50 cents back on the sausage links. So keep that in mind. You might be able to combine these and get some more savings. Nivea, $1.50 off of 1 body lotion. Glad this is coming back. The current week, we got a $3 instant coupon at CVS. So next week, with this coupon coming, I'm assuming we're going to get a Nivea deal. So it may be best to stop and hold that CRT and use it next week for even more savings. And we're getting a 4 off of 2 body lotion. Pat a Day, I'm probably saying that wrong, Pat a Day, a 5 off 1 eye allergy. Purina, we're getting $3 and $4 coupons. Pellegrino, we have a couple, and Spray Away, 75 cents off of 1. And Right, $1 off 1 packaged bacon. So now for the Retail Me Not insert. Coal-Laced, we have a $5 coupon for the 60 count and a $2 coupon for, I'm assuming, any count. We are getting some Covergirl coupons, which is always great. $3 off 1 face, eye, and a $2 off 1 lip product. So we always have deals at CVS for Covergirl, so we should be able to put together a great deal for those for next week, especially if you have a 3 off of 12 cosmetic CRT. Crave, $5 off 1 bag of dry dog or cat food. Degree, we have a $2 off 1 advanced dry spray for men. 50 cents off 1 original protection. $1.25 off one for the men's Motion Sense. And then we're getting the coupons for the women as well for the Degree. Dial, we are getting $2 body wash coupons. We haven't had any Dial coupons in a little while, so hopefully we can put together some good deals there. And more Dove coupons, $2 off one body polish when you buy any one Dove wash product. $2. Yeah, we'll have to see what that one actually reads because that one's a little confusing. $1 off one foaming hand soap, 75 cents off one beauty bar. We have a Gray Away coupon, Hellmann's mayonnaise, 50 cents off of one. Herbal Essences, 2 off of 2 shampoo conditioner. It excludes the Bio Renew, so this is just the normal Herbal Essences. Lipton tea, 75 cents off of 2. Mail, I'm probably pronouncing that wrong as well. $1 off one product. We have Old Spice body wash, buy one Old Spice body wash, get one Old Spice dry spray free. So that could be a pretty cool deal. Persil, we're getting $2 off one coupons, and it looks like we're getting 2 separate coupons. So one for the liquid and one for the pods, or they call them discs. So that would be a great deal. Right Guard, buy one, get one free. Schwarzkopf, $4 off one. We have Soft Scrub and Splenda. So not bad, a little bit slower week as far as coupons available. I'm definitely going to buy one newspaper. 9 times out of 10, I usually just buy one newspaper and I buy it at CVS. So what I do on Sunday mornings is I go to CVS, I buy my newspaper, print out all my CRTs and instant coupons at the Redbox machine if it's working. And then when I buy my newspaper, any additional that didn't print, some will print on the end of my receipt. That way I can put them all together to go home and figure out what different deals I'm going to do based on any new CRTs that I got. So drop a comment, let me know if you guys plan on buying any newspapers or if there are any deals that you guys want me to try to put together some deals on. I will be doing the Walgreens ad preview and the CVS ad preview here shortly, so I will have those posted up today. Make sure you have that notification bell clicked, and when I do post new videos, you guys will be notified. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time.